Hey guys, in this video you will learn how to register an account on STO-CAP for members of Evorich community and get your Bobcoins. Also, we will learn how to properly verify your account. Please note that the text instruction for registration is given in the description to this video. Let's get started. Go to the STO-CAP page by following the link and click on the purple button Evorich Login. On the next page, click on Forgot Private Key to change your password. Enter the email that is linked to your Evorich back office and click the yellow button to reset your password. Please note that if you changed your email address in your back office, you might not receive a password recovery message. The instructions on what to do in this situation are given in the description to this video. Also note that it may take some time for the password recovery message to be delivered. If the message did not arrive immediately, wait a while longer or check your spam folder. Open the message and click the button Reset Password. On the pop-up page, enter the required information. Type in the email that is linked to your Evorich back office and enter the password 2 times below. Then click Reset Private Key. Well done! You are now logged into your STO-CAP account. Now we need to go through verification. We recommend you prepare the following documents in advance: a picture or a scanned copy of your international password, if applicable to your country, or an ID card or driver's license. You also need to take a selfie with this document in your hands to confirm your identity. Please note that the document should be legible and without glare, and your face should be well lit. Do not wear glasses or a hat. You will also need to submit proof of address. This can be a bank statement, utility bill, or any other document that will contain your last name and the address that you specified during verification. When all the necessary documents are ready, you can proceed to verification. In the upper right corner, click on KYC verification, and then click the yellow button again. For your convenience, you can translate the page into your preferred language, or continue in English. Fill in all boxes marked with a red asterisk. Then you need to upload a photo or a scanned copy of your ID. Select a document type and upload it. Note that the file you upload must not be larger than 1 megabyte. Otherwise, the system will not accept it. Below, upload a selfie with this document in hand. Further down, upload your proof of address. Now you need to check 3 boxes and double-check all the data that you entered. If everything is correct, click the button Proceed to verify. Congratulations! You have submitted documents for verification. Now wait until the documents are processed and verified. If everything is correct and the verification system does not have any questions for you, you will receive a message about the successful verification of your account.